Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to log leads from LinkedIn lead ads into Google Sheets automatically. So as a business owner, I am running some LinkedIn ads for my business. And here my objective is, as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead through my LinkedIn lead ad, then automatically I want to add that lead details in my Google Sheets as a new row. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my LinkedIn account with my Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here on my screen you can see my LinkedIn ad account, and here I've already drafted a test campaign. So basically here my objective is, as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead through my LinkedIn ad, then automatically I want to add that lead detail in my Google Sheets as a new row. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my LinkedIn ad with my Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and here you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on the sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly such as Pabbly Connect, Pabbly Subscription Billing, Pabbly Email Marketing, Pabbly Form Builder, Pabbly Email Verification, Pabbly Hook and Pabbly Chart Flow. So you can see one software with so many useful applications. So in this video, we are going to integrate our different applications, and for that we are going to use Pabbly Connect by clicking on this axis now. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button given over here in the top right corner. And then here's asking me to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is New Beta and the another one is Classic. So basically Beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas Classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this newly launched feature, that is Beta version, by clicking on this Select button given over here, and then a Create Workflow dialog box has appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give the name to my workflow as Log Leads from LinkedIn Lead Ads into Google Sheets. And now here to giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as Google Sheets. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this Learn More hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this Create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards that trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So we are going to click on this Add Trigger button given over here, and here I'm going to select my trigger application as LinkedIn because we are running ads on LinkedIn. Alright, so we are going to select the app event as lead notification, and then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your LinkedIn account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with LinkedIn. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my LinkedIn account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your LinkedIn account, or else if you're going to build a new connection, then it is going to ask for the username and the password of your LinkedIn account to build a successful connection. And once you're going to enter all the details, then automatically your account is going to get connected with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so here we have built a successful connection. So we are going to move forward, and then here's asking for the sponsor sponsored account. So now here to get the sponsored account name, let me take you to my campaigns account, and here you can see my sponsored account name is Pabbly's ad account. So I'm going to select that particular account over here from this drop down, and then here I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here, and here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission we need to generate a test lead in our LinkedIn ad. So now here to generate a test lead in our LinkedIn lead ad, let me all take you back to my campaigns account. So this is my campaigns manager, and here I've already created a test campaign with the name lead generation. So I'm going to select this campaign, and here under this campaign I've created a test lead form with the name Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to select that, and then here I'm going to click on the apply now. And now here you can see it is asking me to enter the email address and the phone number, whereas the first name, last name and the company name are the static values. That means these values are fixed and we cannot change these values over here. So the reason behind this is that this is a test lead form that I've created in my LinkedIn account. But if you're running live lead, then automatically your lead is going to receive the option to enter all the new details. So for now I'm going to enter the email address as demo@pabblytudes.com, and here for the phone number I'm going to enter a random phone number. Alright, and now here after entering all the required details I'm going to click on the submit given over here, and here you can see we have successfully made a form submission over here. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow, and here we need to wait for some seconds to receive a successful response. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the email address of our lead. Here you can see the phone number, first name, last name, company name and some other details. So with this we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received new lead through our LinkedIn, then automatically I want to add that lead detail in my Google Sheets as a new row. So for that I'm going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets and my app event as add a new row. Then I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And here you can see connection has been created successfully. So we are going to move forward. And then here's asking me to select the spreadsheet. So I've already created a spreadsheet with the name LinkedIn Leads over here. So I'm going to select that particular spreadsheet, and then here's asking me for the sheet. So I'm going to select the sheet as sheet 1, and then here's asking for the name, email, phone number and the company name. So basically these are the fields that I've added over here in my Google Sheets. So now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that when you're going to receive a new lead through my LinkedIn ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So for the name I'm going to map the name. So this is the test detail that we have received. So we are going to map the first name first, then we are going to enter a space, and then here we are going to map the last name. Let's move forward. Here for the email address I'm going to map the email address. Here for the phone number I'm going to map the phone number, and lastly I'm going to map the company name. So now here after entering all the required details I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here, and here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added a new LinkedIn lead detail in our Google Sheets as a new row. So now let's go and check it, and here you can see we have successfully received a new detail over here where we have received the name, email address, phone and the company name of our lead. So with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as LinkedIn and an action as Google Sheets, so that when you're going to receive a new lead through a LinkedIn ad, then automatically that lead detail is going to be added in our Google Sheets as a new row. Alright, so these were the steps to how to log leads from LinkedIn lead ads into Google Sheets. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And also if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. And now if you have any doubt, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now, if you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.